So, as you can see, all we do when we're dividing fractions is, so say we have AB divided by CD. All we do is flip the second fraction and then change the sign to multiply. So, this then becomes A over B multiplied by D over C. And this will give us, and then from here this will give us AD over BC, because all we have to do is multiply top by top to give us AD, and then bottom by bottom to give us B times by C. And that is it. That's all we have to do with dividing fractions. We just have to remember that we flip the fraction and then do top and top, bottom and bottom when multiplying. Now, that's the general rule, but there is also another kind of aspect of it that if you remember it, it can make your life a lot easier when multiplying fractions. So for example, let's say we had 4 over 5 multiplied by 25 over 2. So we could just do this top and top, bottom and bottom, and then simplify after we've done that. However, you can do something where we cancel diagonally, and what I mean by this is it's a lot simpler to cross simplify like this, because you don't have to deal with huge numbers when you can kind of just scale them down before it starts. So cross simplifying is when diagonally there's a common factor, and then you can use that common factor to simplify. So 4 and 2, a common factor is 2. 2 goes into 4 twice, and then 2 goes into 2 once. Here, 5 and 25, we know a common factor is 5. 5 goes into 5 once, and then 5 goes into 25 5 times. And now all we have to do, top and top, bottom and bottom, that gives us 10 over 1, which we know is just 10. Because 10 divided by 1 is obviously just 10. Now, this will make your life a lot simpler, and it is always good to look for opportunities to cross-simplify like this, because it will make the questions way easier, especially when you get to questions with huge numbers, and then you have to deal with huge numbers when you don't have a calculator, and it becomes very difficult very quickly, but you can really make it a lot simpler by cross-simplifying. So,